Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.